All right, hey guys. My first class got to do this story yesterday, but you did not, so I want to go ahead and get this out of the way since it's short and sweet, and y'all are pretty smart, so I want to go ahead and do this. So you need to get your book open to page 78 and 79, and I'm just going to read the story to you, walk you through all the questions and what you're supposed to do and everything like that, okay? So I'll just try to make this real short. Feel a tap on it. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, now it taps too much. Okay. So first, our learning target, which you're going to say in top of your book, is we're supposed to ask and answer questions about what we read and use details from the text to support your answer. So again, we're finding details. We're saying this is the answer, and we're finding where we say that's the answer. And our academic talk this week is actually 3 of your vocabulary words. Character, a person or animal in a story. Setting is where a story takes place, where and when, so it could be a certain time. And event are things that happen in the story. Poke. Poke. Well, why is this not going? All right. So on there it says read. I'll read it to you. Stories are made up of characters, settings, and events. A character is a person or animal. A setting is where and when a story takes place. Just said that. An event is something that happens in a story. When reading, you can ask questions about characters, settings, and events. You can also answer questions about those same things. When you answer a question about a story, support your answer with details from the text. This shows that you understand the story. So when you can ask and answer your own questions, that proves that you understand what's going on. So asking and answer questions is a good way to make sure that you understand what you read. We've talked about this many, many times. Turn story events and details into questions, even questions you already know the answer to make sure that you've understood each part of the story. Refer explicitly, so it just means explain it in details, to details in the text when you answer your questions. So here's a story on page 78, I believe. Erica was doing her homework. Her pencil rolled off the desk and under the bed. Rolled off the desk and under the bed. She was peering, that means looking, under the bed, looking for it, when she spotted an old wooden box she had never seen before. How did that get there? She asked herself. When Erica opened it, she saw gold coins glittering in the dim light. Wow, she said, I think it's a treasure chest. All right, so she's looking under her bed. If you want me to reread that to you, just rewind it, okay? And you have the next page, page 79. You've learned about why it's important to ask and answer questions as you read. Now you're going to look at the chart and finish the chart to show how the questions can be answered with details from the text. So it already gives you the questions. It says, what did Erica find under her bed? So you can take a little short answer. Okay, so you know the answer. She found a old wooden box. Oops, spelled box wrong. This is a broken pen. She found an old wooden box, okay? So then we have to go back to the story detail to say what story detail says she found the box. I'm going to go ahead and answer the next question too. Why does Erica think she has found a treasure chest? Well, why does she think she's found a treasure chest? She's found an old box in there. What makes it think it's treasure? It's because gold is valuable. Valuable. Gold is worth something. Gold is worth a lot. We looked at it today in first class. For 1 ounce of gold, it's worth $1,320. That's a lot of money for a little bitty bit of gold. Pure gold, that is. Okay, so you have a better, so you can actually read it better. I'm going to go to the next one, which has the answers. And I just want you to copy this down, okay? So we said she found a wooden box. The story details, she was peering under the bed when she spotted an old wooden box she'd never seen before. So that is the story detail. We had our answer, so we knew what it was, but we had to go back to the text and say, okay, here's my answer. Same thing here. We said gold coins are very valuable. Gold is very expensive. And it says, when she opened it, she saw gold coins glittering in the dim light. Something that's not worth a lot may not be too shiny. It's glowing. Okay, so why does Erica think she found treasure chests? Because gold is very valuable and she found something shining in her light. If you need to copy this down, well, you do need to copy this down. Pause the video, copy it, and then go to the next section. I'm not going to just wait here, give you a couple minutes to copy it down. Just pause it, write it down, go on. Okay, review. Again, told you, very short. Ask questions about what you read and use details from the text to support your answer. Use academic talk words in your writing, characters, settings, events. This is all easy stuff. I say listen, Unit 2 is a little bit easier than Unit 1 because it's all about fiction, fake stuff. So you usually enjoy these stories more, okay? We're not going to do the wet stuck. I'm just going to go ahead and do the next lesson. But for now, I'm going to stop this video. I hope y'all don't have a problem with this. If you like this video better than me actually up here teaching, I can try that as well. But for now, I'm going to stop here. So have a good day, guys. See you Thursday.